Hey everybody, this is Lance from thetatraders.com. This video I want to do a quick credit spread idea. So put credit spread on Mastercard. You're going to see a pretty simple reason why I took this trade recently. At thetatraders.com, we do these put credit spreads every day, and we look to sell, in general, prices that are below a recent support level. Let me share my screen real quick, and you're going to see the reason why. So I wrote this on the Discord. Right now, MA is hovering around 445 or so. If you see the green line on the bottom, you're going to see multiple touch points, and these are support levels right around that 438 price. So right here, it touched near 438, bounced up again, 438 bounced up. Later on, closer to the month, near 438 bounced up again, near 438 bounced up. So there's a good chance that if we get down to that 438 level again, we're going to possibly bounce up as well. However, we are at 445. I wouldn't want to necessarily sell a put for the put credit spread around 438. I would want to go a little bit lower than that. That would still give some good premium. So this is the trade that we posted. MA was at 445 at the time. So we sold a 425 put, even lower than that green line that you saw, and bought a 420 put. So to take in at least 45 or more, if you take in $45 on a 5 with credit spread, you're only going to need 500 minus the credit received. You only need 455 in money in your account. If you divide the two, you would get a 9.8, almost 10% return in a little over a month and 2 days. I got 0.53, so at thetatraders.com, I always mention the minimum price that you want to get. If you're a little busy and you can't take the trade right away, you could still try to get at least that 0.45 or more. I have to get 0.53, so I just let members know exactly what I got filled at. And then we put either a stop order or an alert price. Stop at 1.6 if you want to keep it very passive. You could leave a stop order there. However, I typically don't like to do those because sometimes you get rogue orders and the bid-ask spread can be very wide, and you might get out of the trade even though it's still a relatively safe trade. So what I tend to do instead is do an alert price. My alert price is at 432, below that green line that we showed. And 432, I'm going to set an alert at or below it. If it touches 432, I might get out of the trade right away. Depends if it happens right away. Or if there's still very less time left, I might still stay in the trade and just watch it more carefully. I always put some information on the trade. Starting time is 445. The delta is 0.16, and the support level is at 438. So if you're interested in credit spread ideas like this, you want to join at least the quarterly plan at thetatraders.com. There's a link in the description down below. And we do these trades every day around lunchtime. Very highly probable trades with good overall return. I'll typically look to close these trades at around 5 to 7% total profit based on the margin cost. So just to keep the numbers easy, if you do a $500 trade on a 5-week spread, typically want to get at least $25 in net credit after that. Sometimes I'll look for a little bit more, but I always post what I do in the member area. So everyone have a good rest of the trading day, and see you guys on the next one.